This video was produced for new users or prospective users of GeneMatrix NeoPlex COVID-19 Detection Kit. NeoPlex COVID-19 Detection Kit is a multiplex in vitro real-time PCR assay that simultaneously detects and analyzes RDRP and N genes in SARS coronavirus. Let's see what's included in NeoPlex COVID-19 Detection Kit. First, COVID-19 ppm containing primers and probes. Second, the COVID-19 positive control, including RDRP-N and human-derived IC genes as in vitro transcript RNA. Third, one-step master mix containing polymerase and buffer for PCR reactions. Fourth, RNase-free distilled water, which will be used for negative control or dilution. There are 4 components as above, and before testing, make sure that all 4 tubes are present and the reagent volumes are correct. Please make sure that all necessary materials are prepared. Disposable gloves and masks, sample collection kits, nucleic acid extraction kits, pipettes and tips, microcentrifuge tubes, PCR tubes with caps and tube racks, microcentrifuge, vortex mixer. Real-time PCR instrument preparation is required. Also, PCR instrument is compatible with other equipments. Warnings and precautions. Number 1, the kit must be stored at -20 degrees Celsius. Number 2, do not freeze-thaw the kit reagents more than 4 times. Number 3, prepare the PCR mixture just before its use. Number 4, do not label on a cap of the reaction tubes, as fluorescence is detected through the cap, and use PCR plate strip caps only. Do not use PCR plate sealing films. There are 3 steps of experiment process. Step 1, nucleic acid extraction. Step 2, PCR amplification. Step 3, data analysis. Please read the user manual before performing the experiments. The recommended sample type for NeoPlex COVID-19 Detection Kit is upper respiratory tract samples like nasopharyngeal and oropharyngeal swabs, or lower respiratory tract samples like sputum. When collecting samples, follow the instructions on the sample collection kit and be careful of contamination. Nucleic acid extraction is performed using KIA-AMP DSP viral RNA mini kit, Kiagen or automated equipments, and it shall be following manufacturer's method. For compatible equipments, please refer to a user manual for each company. PCR premix preparation. The reagents required for a single reaction are 5 microliter of COVID-19 ppm, 5 microliter of one-step master mix, and 5 microliter of distilled water. In this training video, total 4 samples are tested for 2 nucleic acids, 1 positive control and 1 negative control. Premix is prepared by mixing COVID-19 ppm one-step master mix and DW according to the number of reactions. However, it is recommended to include 2 additional test volumes considering loss of reagent. Please refer to the table on the screen. After using a vortex, spin down the reagent using a centrifuge. Adjust the pipette volume at 15 microliter. Aliquot the PCR premix into a 0.2 milliliter PCR tube by using a 20 microliter pipette and aliquot 15 microliter into each well. The next step is to add samples. Number 1, add 5 microliter extracted RNA into each 0.2 milliliter PCR tube with PCR premix. Add 5 microliter of PC and NC into PCR premix as well. Number 2, after adding into each well, close the PCR tube lid. At this time, be careful of contamination and close the lid by the end. Number 3, to remove bubbles, centrifuge the PCR tube thoroughly for 30 seconds. PCR setup and amplification. Place tubes in the real-time PCR instrument. In this video, Applied Biosystems 7500 FastDX real-time PCR instrument is used. Please follow the PCR setup and NeoPlex viewer analysis video. Click Template. Select NeoPlex COVID-19 PCR protocol. Please check the experiment as follows. Please set the PC and NC name as follows. Drag and select the sample wells. Check the targets. Set the controls as follows, and select None. Check the PCR condition before running PCR. The following is a tutorial for Step 3 data analysis. Please carefully follow data export instruction of the video. Set the threshold at 10,000. Please follow the instruction of NeoPlex Viewer for data analysis. Please don't forget to select kit name before opening data. NeoPlex Viewer allows automatic analysis of multiple samples at the same time. Thank you for watching this manual video. For technical inquiries on NeoPlex COVID-19 detection kits, please email us at support@genematrix.net.